everyone! Are you ready to level up your skills and create design content that can shine online? If you've been dreaming of becoming a content creator or if you want to design professional looking ads for social media, this is the perfect opportunity for you. Enroll now in our social media advertising training course here at ICS Equip. In this course, you'll learn how to use powerful tools like Photoshop, CapCut, and Canva to create eye-catching design and videos. Plus, we'll teach you advertising techniques tailored for different platforms. So whether it's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, your content will stand out. What's in it for you? Flexible schedule, 3 to 4 months duration. Face-to-face classes in Kuwait City, and yes, it's CPDSO accredited. And here is the best part. You can now avail our 35% discount offer. So don't just scroll through social media, start creating content that works. Be the designer, the editor, and the content creator you've always wanted to be. Message us today on our WhatsApp number at +96599302850. This is Yasmina with ICSA, your partner in success.
The success you want. The confidence you need. Guaranteed.
ICSA, your partner in